Good morning, the students of class 6 Modern International School, Hiswa. Dear students, I am Prakash Sharma, English teacher, is going to teach you the topic of tense today. Dear students, I want to say that at first, what is tense? Tense are verb forms used to indicate the time of an action is known as tense. Dear student, there are three forms of tense, or we can say that there are three kinds of tense. At first, present tense. Second, past tense. Third, future tense. So what is present tense? What is present tense? That means the verb shows an action in present time is called present tense, or we can say that we express action and the present time is called present tense. Such as, I am teaching you. You are writing a letter. That means this work is doing in present time. So this sentence is related to present tense. Past tense. What is past tense? The verb shows an action in past time, that means suspend time, is called past tense. Such as, I was writing a letter yesterday. If I tell you, you were doing this work 2 days ago, this sentence is related to past tense. And third part, future tense. Future tense, that means coming time, it indicates. Future tense, the verb shows an action in coming time is known as future tense. Such as, next year I shall join the next class. This sentence is related to future tense. Tomorrow I shall go to Patna. This sentence is related to future tense. Dear student, just I told you what is present tense, past tense and future tense. After that I want to tell you that kinds of present tense. As you know that there are 4 kinds of present tense. First, simple present or present indefinite tense. Second, present continuous or present imperfect. Third, present perfect. And fourth, present perfect continuous tense. Dear student, at first I want to tell you some points about simple present. What is simple present? The simple present denotes so that the habitual work, continuity. Habitual work is known as simple present tense, such as I go to school daily. I wake up in the morning. But if you want to know the identification of Hindi sentence in simple present tense, then you have to take care ta hai, ti hai, te hai given in the end of Hindi sentence. Then you should understand that this sentence is related to simple present. And the making rule, when you want to write the sentence on the base of simple present tense, then you have to take care in your mind at first subject. After subject, verb. After verb, object. But mind here, s or es is added in the verb, in the end of verb when the subject is in third person singular number. Such as, Ram goes to school, but I go to school. I is here first person. So, main verb go, V1 is used, but Ram is here third person singular subject. So, Ram goes to school. Here S or es added in the end of verb because the subject is here third person. This is the simple rule of simple present. But if you want to know the negative sense of simple present tense. Then you have to understand, at first you have to write subject, after that do not or does not plus V1 plus O. Always take care. If do not and does not used, then always V1 will be used, not V5. And does not is used only the third person of singular subject, such as Ram does not write a letter. The teacher does not teach me carefully. This is the negative of simple present. After that, I want to tell you yes no question of simple present, and Hindi sense starts with kya, such as does Ram do this work? Here Ram singular subject of third person, so before does is used here. Do you go to school? Do I not wake up in the morning? This is the interrogative of simple present. After that, some sentences are related to WH words after subject given what, why, where, how, when, how many, etc. In this condition, WH words will be written at first. WH words plus do or does plus S plus V1 plus object, such as when do you do this work? When is here WH words. So at first WH words, after that do does, after that subject plus V1 plus object. How do you prepare for the examination? This sentence also related to simple present tense. What does the teacher teach? If I ask you, what does the teacher teach? This is also simple present tense, but it starts with WH words. So you have to take care on this matter, and I expect that you will satisfied with my teaching performance. However, you have any problem in understand, then you can ask on my personal WhatsApp or my personal phone. Thanks.